No, sister. I can't wear this dress. It is very short dress. Mithai never realized that she's so tall. When I was small, whichever dress my mother made me wear, it used to be so long for me. What kind of dress is this?
Mithai, these dresses are knee length.
What?
Means till knee only. Listen, you are going to a 5-star hotel. It is a sophisticated place. Most people wear these dresses at dinner time. So you will also wear it.
Why did I get entangled in this circus? Who knows? Why did Sir have to do all this? I don't know.
Yes! Nanda? Nanda, I think Siddharth will go.
So, how is our Mithai looking? Tell me.
Oh, very pretty.
Where's the pen drive?
I really can't understand what are you all saying. Will I wear this dress at the hotel? Such a short dress. Impossible. Besides, Mr. Bitterguard will also go with me. Oh, no.
I will go crazy over here. I must tell Sir that he must not waste this honeymoon package. Whatever the consequence, but I must tell Sir that Mithai...
Sid,
Tess,
Sid, I honestly did not wish to disturb you today, but I know that you and Mithai are going to a hotel for your honeymoon. But Sid, I had your pen drive, so I wanted to give it back to you. You might need it. I'm leaving.
Tess, please don't go away like this. You please sit. I would like to talk to you.
You want to talk to me? How is that possible, Sid? You should be talking to your wife, Mithai, now. If you and I talk over here, your family will be hurt to know that. All the best, Sid. I'm leaving.
No, Sister Nanda, don't speak to me like this. I'm already so worried. Don't you know how your angry brothers shout at me?
Oh, Mithai, you are married now. You know things changed after marriage.
Oh my, Miss Tosha? When did you come? Wait, let me bring coffee for you.
Tess will not have coffee right now. If she wants to have coffee, then I'll make it for her, okay? Tess, please be seated. Tess and I were discussing an important project, so I need some privacy if you don't mind, please.
Sure. Shri, let's go upstairs. Mithai, come here. Come on, we must pack your suitcase. Come here.
Sid, why are you asking me to wait? Can you please tell me? I'm sure they don't feel right about me being here. You're going for your honeymoon. Go then.
Tess, please. Will you also abandon me like this? See? I can't handle this any longer. Instead of getting so emotional, please suggest a way out with a calm mind, please.
What do you mean, Sid?
Like the way we were in the management school or the way when we joined the office. You know, actually, I miss those days, Tess. We shared a very different equation back then. There was a time when, you know, you treated me as your friend. Can't we get back in the same relationship, please?
How is that possible? You are now married.
Not again, Tess. Look, I don't want to go anywhere with Mithai, okay? In fact, I accepted this gift only because of Ma'am. Ma'am has gifted me this honeymoon package, so I accepted it. Had I not accepted this gift, things would have been much worse, you know that. Look, Tess, I desperately want to avoid going to this hotel together, or for that matter, even to live together. You please help me so that no one at home knows anything about it.
Sid, I know what you must do. You should go alone. Then your family members will also know that you don't want to fall into this trap. You can tell Sir that you and Mithai enjoyed together. And I guess Mithai won't tell Sir that you didn't take her along with you. And the family members won't be able to say anything out of shame. I think this is the best solution. You should think about it. I'm leaving.
This is the only way out. Otherwise, I'll get into a lot of trouble. No. Whatever happens, I must get out of this problem.
Hey, Sister Shri, listen, please tell me, what are you doing all this? You are making me try out strange clothes for the night, and now you are packing all your clothes for me. Why? May I ask, doesn't Mithai wear presentable clothes? Tell me.
Mithai? We didn't say that. Look, the dresses that we are packing for you, you can wear all those and go with Siddharth to different attractions at the resort.
Shri? Take coffee. What happened? What is she saying?
Aunt, I don't feel good at all. Look, on the one hand, Mr. Bittergaard will go with me, and none of you will be there with me. And then you all are talking so much about dressing up, enjoyment, etc., etc. Mithai is feeling nervous. Oh, Aunt, what if I not go?
Aunt won't help you.
Mithai, come here.
Yes.
Listen to me.
Yes.
You have completely lost your mind, haven't you?
No.
You haven't, right? Can't you understand that Sid is taking you on a honeymoon? Mithai, first time after marriage, you both are getting this opportunity to spend time together. You will have so many things to talk about. Just imagine how will it be. This really is a big opportunity for you, Mithai.
Surely, Aunt. I can't even imagine that Siddharth has finally agreed to go. I still can't believe it. Maybe he agreed to go due to the fear of his career. But whatever it is, Lord has helped Mithai a lot, right?
Mom, tell Mithai whatever I am packing for her, she must take all of it without saying anything. She is acting overly wise.
Mithai, you have a very strict sister-in-law. You can't escape her. Instead, go and help her to pack. And I'm going to prepare coffee for Dad.
Oh, Sister Nanda, I don't feel good. I'm feeling very scared. Hey, I didn't go to the factory also.
Shri? Hey Shri, oh you are here. I came home and heard something. Is it true? Mithai and brother Sid are going to honeymoon. Mithai? Your Mr. Bittergourd has completely changed. What is this case? Tell me. What magic did you do to him?
What will I do, brother? You know, my head is spinning. Look, I simply cannot understand. What do you mean by this honey, honey? About that, all are saying it's a big moment. It's a great moment. This will happen. That will happen. Nothing will happen. Why should Mr. Bittergaard change? And how will Mithai make him eat sweets? Just tell me. Anyway, let me go and get your coffee.
Mithai, wait. She left. See? Nanda. I simply cannot imagine this. So this is actually happening.
What happened, Mithai? Why are you waiting here? Go, finish your packing.
What happened, Mithai? Why are you so quiet?
Oh my, someone please explain to this girl. She's going on her honeymoon. This is such a big chance in her life. She can use this opportunity to develop an understanding with Sid.
Nanda? Nanda? What happened, huh? What just happened? Siddhartha is already gone. Huh? You told me on the phone that Mithai and Siddharth will stay at the hotel today. His office's boss has gifted him something. Then what is all this?
Yes, Siddharth just went away. What happened? Where did he go? Siddharth just walked away. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, I was clearing the payment of the taxi and he just walked past us. And we won't recognize Siddharth. Mithai, what is the matter? Say something.
What is this? Why are you all standing quietly? Mithai, is your packing over?
Aunt Appa, Ratul just saw Siddharth walking away with his luggage. Mithai is also standing here quietly and we are completely at loss. Mithai, why are you so quiet? Tell me.
Oh, come on. What else can she do but stand quietly? Huh? What should she do? Listen. Come here, please.
Hey, what happened? Oh, Sushma, Mithai and Siddharth are going to a hotel to stay together for a couple of days. You need not pack food for them. Don't start packing pickles or stuffed rice for them. Hey, where is our prince?
Mithai and Siddharth aren't going anywhere, Grandpa. No need to celebrate. I knew Siddharth would do something like this. Didn't I tell you, Nanda? I asked him whether he will really take Mithai with him. If he didn't want to take her, he could have told us earlier.
Shri, please calm down. Please. Listen, Dad. Can you please call Sid? See, where has he gone? I think he has got some work.
But Auntie, what work could he have today?
Grandpa, why did you sit down like this? Mom, darling, is absolutely right. Why don't you call him and speak over the phone?
Grandfather is very hurt because of his grandson's behavior. No. I cannot let this happen. Grandfather! Now I have to tell the truth. Due to fear, I was not being able to say.
The truth? What do you mean?
I mean, I told Siddharth I can't go.
What? You told him that you won't go. When?
But you were with us all the time.
Yes, actually, I came downstairs before you. I saw him waiting with a suitcase. He told me, "What is this? Are you not ready yet?" Utter nonsense. I also told him, "Listen to me. I can't go anywhere with you, not at all." After that, your angry grandson walked off in a huff.
Mithai, you feel bad when I get hurt, isn't it?
Grandfather, why are you saying that?
Because all that you told us is all lies. So that I don't get hurt. You made up all this so that we didn't get hurt, right? What, Mithai?
Why don't you call him once? Opa has been telling you to.
No, Shushma. I will not call him. Nobody will call him. It's completely his personal matter. What can we do if he doesn't take Mithai out with him? But yeah, we can do one thing with Mithai, and that is, let's have fun with Mithai. Why should we feel disappointed? What say Halla party?
Yes, you're right. Correct. I mean, this is the right thing to do. Let Siddharth do what he wants. Mithai is a part of this family. So today we are going to plan a party with her. Huh? What say? Mithai, what do you say?
Yes, brother-in-law is absolutely correct. I'll make Indian snack for everyone. We will eat with tea. Let Mr. Bittergut do whatever he like. What do we care? We will also have a good time. But none of you should feel sad, grandfather. How could I go? What would have happened to my business? I'm going to make Indian snack for everyone. Oh Lord, let no one get hurt because of me. No one should get hurt.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I have a booking here.
Sir, you are alone?
It's a double bed booking, but I need a single bed occupancy. I'll stay alone. Why? Any problem?
No, sir. It's a honeymoon package. That's why she's confirming it. ID, please.
Oh, sure.
Sir.
Keys? Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Sir, come please.
This way? I had to come here without informing anyone at home. There was no other way. If anyone knew, nobody would have allowed me to come. If Grandpa calls, I'll have to explain it to him. It's impossible for me to stay with Mithai over here.
Please come, sir. Come. Anything else, sir?
No, thank you. Just a minute.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
After a long time. Let me freshen up and get my guitar from the car.
Sid, you know what you must do? You should go there alone. You can tell sir that you and Mithai both enjoyed together.
Well, Tess gave me a really good idea. Let me thank her. Thank you, Tess. Your suggestion is really great. After entering the hotel room, I feel really peaceful. Seriously. I don't want to think of anything at this moment. Thank you once again. Nice. Today I'll sing this song for you. All right.